Puneet. So today I'm going to compare between Sattu and protein powder, especially from a health, fitness, and bodybuilding perspective. So now I will tell you pros and cons of Sattu or protein powder both. So I'm going to start with Sattu, which is roasted gram flour. Going to tell you the pros. It is natural and whole food made from roasted Bengal gram, barley, and pulses, and it's a plant-based protein which contains 20 gram of protein per 100 gram. It has rich in fiber. It aids digestion and satiety. Budget friendly, very cheap compared to the supplements. It has good cooling effect, which is ideal for hot weather, and it contains good micronutrient profile, which is iron, manganese, and magnesium. And what the cons of this, like it's low in complete amino acid, lacks some essential amino acids, and carbohydrates are heavy, like it contains 60 grams of carbs per 100 gram, which is not ideal for strict low carb diets. And it needs large quantity to match protein powder, like it doesn't contain concentrated protein. And going to tell you about protein powder, which is whey or plant based. So the pros of this protein powder is it contains high protein density, so like 20 to 30 gram per scoop, or it has fast absorption rate as well. It is good for great good and great for post workout recovery. So, and it contains complete protein, especially whey, because it contains all kind of essential amino acids. It is convenient, quick, and portable. But what are the cons of this? Cost, it's quite costly if you compare with the Sattu, high price per serving. It can cause bloating, especially if a person is, lactose intolerant in whey. It is highly processed, not a whole food. And sometimes if you are getting the authentic one, then it's good. Otherwise, a lot of people are there who are getting fake and getting fake mixes from the market. So everything depends on on the brand as well, that you're buying from a trusted brand or not. So this is what I want to share with you about the difference or comparison between Sattu and protein powder. So for today, this is what I want to share with you, and more content will bring for you. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.